Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means I have the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs. I know I haven't been doing them in a little while just because, I don't know, I've been busy and sometimes the themes I didn't always have stuff to do them for, etc. I know, excuses. But I am here today and the theme is Sea and Oceans and the host is Jayliey Nail Art. So I had to do this one because I love the ocean and the sea and all the creatures in the ocean. So this is right up my alley. So I kind of don't know what I'm doing yet exactly, but we're gonna see how it goes. So I'll have everyone's links in the description box below, and I will have their pictures at the very end of the video. So I hope you liked today's mani. We're gonna go ahead and get into the video, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna be using. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and welcome if you're coming over from somebody else's channel. I hope you like what you see. So let's get started. So first off, on my nails I have one of the new Crayola pastel colors. This is Sally Insta-Dry and this is sea green, so I thought that was appropriate. Kind of like it. Just never worn it before, so there we go. And then the stamping plates I'm going to be using are both Bundle Monsters, so I'm going to be using all of the stamps on here. This is the BMS190. And then I'm also going to use an image on here. This is the Bundle Monster TwiStar BMXL211. Don't worry, I'm not using any mermaids. I'm just going to probably use, I think, this image and then the Under the Sea as well. So, and then I'm going to be stamping with probably this Insta-Dry Black Sally Hansen polish in black to black. And then I'm going to actually do some kind of transparent colors on my stamping. So I've got, what are these called again? The Silk Watercolor nails? Yeah, they're the Silk Watercolor palettes from Essie. So I have all of the colors, so I'm just going to tell you what they're called. I'm not sure if you can still get these. I got them on sale at Loblaws. So I've got Love Sheen, Pen and Ink. Then I've got, what is this called? Point of Blue. Then I've got Highest Bidder, then No Shrinking Violet, and what's the last one? Use Myself. So all very cute names, so I'm going to probably use all of these, I'm thinking, to fill in my stamping. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing, but I got an idea. Anyways, so let's get into it. I'm also going to use this stamper right here, and yeah, let's do it.